So hello everyone, Tushar this side. I wanted to demonstrate this application which I have created using Flutter. So I have created this mobile application for my college, Graphic Hill University. So this is the splash screen of this application, and this is the main home screen. And at the starting of the screen, we have the logo of our college, and after that, we have a carousel bar that shows some of the highlights of our college, and we can scroll it manually. And if we don't do that, it automatically gets scrolled. Now, after that, we have six different sections, that is about admission, academics, placements, international, and student area. We will be coming to that one by one. First. Let's see what is there in this home screen. Now, when we move down, we can see this screen gives a short brief educational background of our faculty, and that is the educational background of our Chancellor Sir, Professor Kamar Ghansara, and our Vice Chancellor Sir. Now, you might have been noticing that there are six social media icons at the bottom of the screen, and it will be there on every screen. So that is of Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, YouTube, Instagram, and WhatsApp. So these all images are clickable. So like if I click on Facebook or Twitter, so it will redirect me to the Graphic Era page of on that particular platform. Like for example, if I click on Facebook, it will redirect me to the Facebook page of Graphic Era Hill University, like you can see on my screen. So similarly for Twitter, LinkedIn, YouTube, it works fine. Now, if we move to the About section, okay, you might be noticing that the images are getting loaded. So actually I'm fetching these images from a cloud storage, and I'm using Firebase for that. So these images are not getting fetched each time we are opening the application. Actually, it is just getting fetched for only once. Like if it is not present on my physical device, then it is getting cached and saved on the root folder of my application. So the next time when the user loads the screen, it loads pretty much fast. So this is the About section of this application. It gives a detailed information about the establishment of this university. Now, if you move down, again there are the three sections. That is the description about the campuses that are under Graphic Era Hill University. So at present there are three campuses: Dehradun, Bhimtal, and Haldwani. If I click on Dehradun campus, it will give me a small brief introduction about the Dehradun campus and an image of Dehradun campus. The same goes with Bhimtal and Haldwani campus. These all are expandable tiles, and as you can see, when I'm tapping on it, it gets open and it displays the information, so it looks beautiful. Now moving on to the next screen, that is the admission screen. So this screen describes about the facilities that are being offered by university. So if we move down, again, the facilities and the scholarship, what is the eligibility to get the scholarship criteria in this university. And in the bottom, we have some payment method to pay the semester fees. So this is for the students who are studying in Graphic Era. Like at current, I have integrated three payment methods, that is of Paytm, HDFC payment gateway, and if we want to pay using any of the UPI apps like Google Pay and all, so we can do that using the QR code. So like if I'll tap on Paytm, it will redirect me to the Paytm app or to the Paytm link if it is not installed on your device. Like in my case, Paytm was installed on my device, so it opened Paytm directly. So again, yeah, as you can see, I have to set my institution. So here it is, Graphic Era Hill University. I'll have to add my student ID, and I am good to go to pay the required amount. Now the same goes with the Bhimtal, and the next one is the HDFC payment gateway. So this is the actual payment gateway that is being used by our college. So again, if I'll tap on it, it will redirect me to a browser window, and I can enter my details and pay the required amount. Now, if I want to pay using QR code, I can tap on the QR code section, and it will open a screen that will display the QR code. And again, this image is being fetched using network image. So at first it will load, but when we'll open the screen again, it will instantly load within seconds. So this is the QR code. If we want to download it and save it on our gallery to use it using for further use with any of the UPI enabled applications, so we can download it using the download button, which is here in the top right corner. We can tap on the download button, and it will ask with the permission to write on the media on our device. So we have to allow it. Now when we'll allow it, you can see that the download has been started, and when the image is downloaded, a toast message is shown, and that is says image is being saved to the download folder. So I can use that image to pay the fees. Now moving ahead to the academics. Now this screen shows what are the courses that are being offered by university. Now when we'll move down, you can see what are the courses that are offered. The courses are offered in engineering, commerce, design, law, agriculture, pharmacy, management, computer applications and all. Now if a student wish to download the academic calendar, so they can do the same. There is an expandable tile that consists of the academic calendar. So these are the recent academic calendar. Like suppose if I want to download the academic calendar for suppose January to June 2022, that is the second one, I can tap on it. So as you can see, a toast message was displayed that PDF was downloaded successfully, and it will be available on the download folder of your device. So that was it in the screen. Now moving on to the next section, that is the placement section. Here again there is a carousel bar, and this page describes about the packages that are being offered by some of the most reputed IT companies to the students of graphic era. So you can see that like Amazon, Adobe, and Zscaler and all. You can see that. Now if we move down, we can see a small YouTube clip that is the interaction between our student Rajat Jain with our honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Rajat Jain, a senior, he is a founder of Sunfox, and this company is founded and completely run by the students of graphic era. So here is the video clip.
नमस्कार, मेरा नाम रजत जैन है। मैंने ग्राफिक एरा विश्वविद्यालय से इंजीनियरिंग की है। आप लोग जान सकते हैं कि जो दिल की समस्याएं हैं उनका कैसे हम लोग उनको
इसके
जान
ये
सकते हैं।
बुजुर्गों के दिल की समस्या कि नौजवानों के दिल की समस्या?
So the same clip is also available on YouTube. You can tap on the YouTube icon and it will redirect you to the YouTube app. Now if we move down, it gives the details of the PDP cell team, and at the bottom we have the display of the companies that are the top recruiters of graphic era. Now if we move to the next section, that is the international section. So since our university has signed an MOU with the international university, so there is a student exchange program that goes here, and the international student they come to study or either work as an intern. And again there is a clip attached, and the students have shared their experience with the graphic era, so you can watch that also.
Hola, Graphic Era.
مرحبا ग्राफिक एरा।
اهلا جرافيك اير.
अहलन ग्राफिक एरा।
Hey, anyhow, Graphic Era.
So the same clip is also available on YouTube. You can watch that. And if you move down, then again the experiences have been shared by a lot of students. So there is a carousel bar. You can scroll and see what are their review about our university. So if we move to the last section, that is the student area, then again we have the fee payment mode, all the four methods that I have described earlier. And apart from that, we can either check the mid-semester and end-semester results by accessing the ERP of our college. When we'll tap on it, any of the section, mid or end, it will redirect me to a browser window, and I'll have to enter my details. And there are other sections also, like NEPTEL. We can access the courses that are being offered as MOOC by IITs and NITs. And we have the NAT DigiLocker. We can access the documents, and even the semester mark sheets are also available on DigiLocker, so we can access that also. And we have the student information system and notices and updates. So let me demonstrate one, like for example, if I click on let's suppose end semester result, I will be redirected to the ERP page of our university. I have to enter my details like student ID and password, and I'm good to go. So yeah, that was it in this demonstration. I hope you have liked the video. I'll be also attaching the link of the GitHub repository so you can see the code base. And yeah, thank you for watching.